Are you tired of manually sending documents for signing? In this video, I'll show you how to automate document signing with SuiteDash, saving you time and effort. Stick around because I'll also reveal an alternative solution that may be even better for your needs. First up, let's talk about how SuiteDash helps you streamline your document signing process. When you're managing client contracts or internal documents, you don't want to waste time chasing signatures. SuiteDash automates that whole process. You can upload your documents directly into the platform and set up a workflow to send them off for signature. Next thing, SuiteDash allows you to create templates, which is a game changer. Once you've created a document that needs to be signed frequently, you can save it as a template. Then, when you need to send it out again, just choose the template, add the necessary details, and your document is ready to go. This automation speeds up your document management process exponentially. The third thing you'll love about SuiteDash is its ability to set up signature workflows. You can specify the order in which documents need to be signed, who needs to sign them, and when they need to be signed. This is crucial if you're dealing with multiple parties or complex agreements. Next, let's talk about SuiteDash's secure digital signing feature. You don't need to worry about any of your documents being compromised because SuiteDash uses high-level encryption to ensure that everything stays secure. The software also provides an audit trail, so you'll know exactly who signed the document and when. This level of transparency helps you avoid disputes and keep things moving smoothly. Now, even though SuiteDash does a lot right, there are a few things that might not suit everyone. The interface can be a little overwhelming for new users, especially if you're not familiar with the full suite of features. Additionally, SuiteDash might be overkill if you only need basic document signing, as its other project management tools could make the platform feel a bit bloated for some. That's where our recommendation comes in. If you're looking for something that's simpler and more focused specifically on automating document signing, there are alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. We've tested a few options, and while SuiteDash is solid, alternatives like DocuSign and PandaDoc could offer a more intuitive, user-friendly experience with features designed specifically for e-signatures. To wrap it up, we've got an exclusive and extended free trial to SuiteDash, but we're also recommending a few alternatives that are even better suited to automating document signing. If you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else.